is Monday, June 24th. I am here at the Lincoln Woods parking lot. It is 5:48 in the morning, and I am ultralight today. I am definitely sub 20 for sure. I did leave the hammock. I will be tarp camping. Didn't bring the chair. My feet are taped and ready for battle. So here we go. Let's check this out. So the plan today, because there's a chance of possible thunderstorms this afternoon, but Wednesday looks to be much worse. So going clockwise, the goal today is to hit 5 mountain peaks: Flume, Liberty, Lincoln, Little Haystack, and Lafayette. Lafayette is the big one at about 5260. Franconia Ridge today. All of that is uber exposed. So I've left early. I got to try to get up and over Lafayette here by 1 o'clock is what my goal is. And it gives me 7 hours on trail. I'm only doing about 12 or so miles today. It's about 4 to 5 from the trailhead to Flume. And then, running across, the biggest traverse is going to be to Little Haystack. It's about 1.7 miles. So if I can get that done, tomorrow we're supposed to have really nice weather here, so that'll be good. And then Wednesday, it'll be get across the bonds as quick as possible in the morning and start dropping elevation. And then it won't matter what the weather does, because I'll be out of the alpine zone. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. We'll see how far we get. I might be crazy for even attempting this, but that's my life. There it is, the Osea Trail, which means we have done 1.4 miles and Flume is 4.2. So here we go. 22, so we ate that up in about 24 minutes, which is what we needed to do. So now the goal is to be at the top of Flume in about 2 hours. So that'll put me up there about 8:30, which will give me about 4 hours to get across there. And I want to be there by 1. So if we can hold this pace and do what we're planning to do, we should be okay today. Wind gusts are supposed to be up to 50. I'll take that. Way over there. Looks like that's Bondcliff over there. That peak right there. That's where I'll be in a couple days. I am currently 4.5 miles in. Puts me about 0.7 from the top of Mount Flume. I'm not showing you much of this climb because I'm over 3,700 feet of elevation gain, and 4.5 on the ground. But I'm up here. As you can see, someone was nice and built steps. No, it's not nice. That just means FML. Check this out. So that's straight out in front of me. That's what I just climbed up out of. See these steps here. You can see another set of steps there. And I'm still going up. So for you, this is going to be quick. See you on Flume. 1 to Flume, 1.2 to Liberty, and this is officially the Franconia Ridge Trail. I am off the Oseo. I've now done all 5.5 of it. Woohoo! Lincoln Woods Trail is 4.1, and that was 1.4. I have been climbing like a dog. Flume Slide Trail. We are not going that way. Not quite to the peak, but you can see I'm gonna be in the clouds. I should say, I am in the clouds. Just climbed up through that hole. I mean, I can see a little clearing over there. I think that's Liberty down there, or I mean Lincoln. Mount Flume. We are at the peak. Ain't much to show you, because I am in the clouds. That's stupid. Peak of Liberty. We are clouded out again. Right there, there's Liberty's geological marker. Mount Liberty. Straight down we go. All right. Look at that. We're back on the AT, baby. 3.5 miles to Lafayette. Let's turn and burn these 3. That right there was Liberty. I'm pretty sure that one right there was the Flume. Both of them are out of the clouds now. When I came over them, they were in the clouds. Maybe that means I'm gonna get lucky. Maybe God is gonna shine on me today. Please, Father. That looks like wildcats there. That looks like the Carter Notch Hutch way down there in that lake. If I'm not mistaken, those are wildcats over there. I mean, I could be wrong. Sure does look like it though. That's where we're headed. It's Lincoln up there. Rain in the valley over there. You can see that both Flume and Liberty are out of the clouds now, unlike this morning. Got the bonds over there. I'll be coming across all that tomorrow over there. That's Owl's Head right in the middle. We won't be doing that. Yeah, we gotta cross up over that. And we got one more mountain for today after that one. That's gonna be a hell of a climb, let me tell you. That's damn near vertical. But hey, this old man's almost got her done. I'm over 7,000 feet. That's ridiculous. One day. Mount Lincoln. Yeah, as you can tell, right before I got up here, man, friggin' cloud moved in on us. Hey, at least I got to go across Franconia Ridge and see everything, right? I got to see this, some pictures of it before the cloud moved in. But yeah, I can't see nothing no more, man. I'm completely back in the clouds and completely socked in. But hey, this is top of Mount Lincoln. Lafayette left to go, and then on to Garfield Pond. All right, man. All right, made it to Lafayette. It's been raining since Lincoln. I didn't know if I was even gonna get any video up here. This is pretty daggone fucking sweet, baby. Let me tell you. Greenleaf Hut, Franconia Bridge, our old bridge patch, bridle patch, Franconia Notch, Garfield Ridge Trail. That's where we're going. Got the Garfield campsite 3.9. I am not going that far. I'm gonna go to the Garfield Pond. So I got a couple miles. The Glad Hut, 6.6. Liberty Spring Trail 3.5 back. Liberty Spring Campsite 3.8. Yeah. My head in the cloud most of the days. Got that little bit of a brief spot where I was able to go across Franconia Ridge, and it wasn't socked in. It was beautiful. Man, right before I got to Liberty, these clouds and this storm moved in. Glad I'm over Lafayette. I think that's the last mountain for the day. Highest mountain on the Pemi loop at 5260. So now we're gonna enjoy some downtime, get into camp, and rest this tired body. I am over 8,000 feet of elevation gain today. Doesn't include loss, that's just gain. Hey, not bad for a 49-year-old fart. What's up, guys? Hey, Garfield's beautiful tonight. I wanted to say at the pond, that was a no-go. It was flooded out, it was nasty, the wind was blowing across it, so I got pushed. I'm at the top of Garfield, and it says that there's a campsite here. I'm trying to find it now. All right, almost made a mistake up there, but got it right. Amen. Morning two. On the Garfield Ridge. Nicer weather today. Got lucky. Got into the Garfield Ridge campsite. Was able to get in the shelter, which was nice. So feeling refreshed this morning. I taped my feet up real good, man. That's all gone. So I think the plan today is to do the 19 and get out of here. So yeah, there ain't no reason to stop at Guyot in 7 miles, because the 12-2 out after that ain't bad. So that's the plan. Catch some peaks. Sun's out today, as you can tell. Should be a much nicer day. Should have some good sights. Woo. Have a good day. Just got down the Garfield Ridge waterfall. That is to date the scariest and most treacherous descent I've ever done. That sucker at points was 87, 90 degrees. Big boulders, running water. Holy crap, was that sketchy as shit. But hey, by the grace of God, we got down. Look at how beautiful. 0.6 to Gladell, to the Gladhead Hut. Yeah, Guyot Hut. Garfield campsite 2.7. My God, what a walk that was. South Twin 0.8. Guyot Hut. This place is awesome. Woo! Mount Guyot, blowing 30, baby. But we are in the home stretch. About 5, 6 minutes, 10 minutes from the hut. Then we'll push it to the car. Top of Mount Bond. That's Bondcliff over there. It's my last peak of this trip. Last mountain. And I'll be going down Hillary Step, dropping down into that valley, then the long walk out. Hell, last time I was up here, it was blowing 120, 125 miles an hour. Man, to look at the mountains I have crossed, the terrain I have covered, My God, what a hike. And I'm not done. I got 1.8 across this bad boy. And I'm not done. All right, later. Bondcliff, baby. Last of the mountains for me. It's amazing looking at all of that. I climbed down Liberty, or Lafayette, I'll never forget that. Garfield is so majestic over there. Another hiker said to me, this trail is listed as grueling. Yes, it is. All right, get down off this bad boy. I got like 5 mile down and like a 5 mile straight. So looks like we are gonna overnight this. I'm out of water, I need water. I know when I start going down, I'll get water. Thank God.